Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Josie's excited. Today we're going to be doing our Ricky's Cult Crushes unboxing for September 2018. This is the last Cult Crushes box we will be getting. They have decided to take a break, reevaluate what they're doing with this box, and maybe it'll come back, maybe it won't. I'm not super sad that this box is going away. I feel like it has declined so much since when it first came out. It used to be $11 a month, and then they went to $14 a month, and when they upped the price, nothing changed. The boxes didn't get any better. Not really sad about this going away. If you have any ideas for boxes I could try to replace this box, go ahead and leave those down below. I was thinking maybe glossy box. It's like $20 a month, I want to say. Or I was thinking maybe the So Susan box, since that is a cruelty-free vegan sort of box. I might be trying that out. So yeah, this is from September. I did not get this box until Sunday the 30th. So I didn't really have time to unbox it and film that during the month. So I'm doing it now. You can't get this box now anyway. It's gone for good, but I thought I'd go ahead and just open it up anyway. So without further ado, after this long intro, let's go ahead and get into it. So when you open up the box, it looks just like this on the inside. Has the card with the theme for the month. I guess there's no theme. Is there a theme? But anyways, it has just this card with it, and then it's curated by Alexandria Ryan, who is another YouTuber who does unboxings. If you haven't looked into her channel, check her out. She's really adorable and funny. I know she didn't have I watched her video of the unboxing of this, so I know she didn't have like a ton of say in what went in here, which is sort of interesting to get kind of like that perspective. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got. So the first thing I am pulling out is this little lip mask. It's called Kiss My Lip Patch, and it's like a little bear. I'm not sure if you can tell. So it's sort of like a gel sort of lip thing. And let me see what the card says. This hydrogel lip patch contains hydrating and nourishing ingredients, including collagen, hyaluronic acid, and green tea. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes for soft, voluminous, and kissable lips. I don't know whose lips are this big, but here's like my lips for comparison. I feel like you can probably get 2 uses out of this, which I'm pretty sure Alexandria said in her video. She just cut it in half, and so that's good for 1 set of lips. So you can probably get 2 out of this. I mean, not excited about it, honestly. But let's go ahead and see what the next item is. Okay, so the next item is from NYX. It is the Lip Lingerie, NYX Lip Lingerie in Ruffle trim. Let's go ahead and see what this color is. Okay, that no joke took me like 3 minutes to get just this plastic garbage off of it. But anyways, let's go ahead and swatch it. It looks just sort of like a pinky nude sort of color. Got a typical doe foot applicator. So there's the color, just a sort of pink color. It looks like it'll dry down matte. I do like the color. I do like the lip lingeries. They feel very nice on your lips. They don't feel like drying and stuff like that. So not mad about that. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so the next thing I have is this Grande Stay Put Invisible Lip Liner. Okay, so this says, step 1, prevents bleeding, 2, contours lip shape, 3, fills in lip lines. I'm not sure if this is cruelty-free. I've never even heard of this brand. If it is, what is the brand? Grande, I guess. Never heard of it. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. I really hate that there's this much box for this. Like, whatever. So let's see. So it's just what it says, invisible lip liner. Let's see what it feels like. You're not gonna be able to see it, obviously. So So yeah, it's just a clear lip liner. Interesting. I'm actually sort of into trying this out because you ever like put on your lip liner but you don't do it perfectly, and then maybe that's just me. But I do think invisible sounds interesting, so I am curious to give this a try. It says prevents bleeding and fills in the appearance of lip line. So yeah, not bad. Irritating about the packaging. Not Ricky's fault. Okay, last thing I have in here is some sort of palette. It is cruelty free. It is from LA Splash Cosmetics. Okay, so this is the Lumos. Looks like a highlighter palette. Mine seems to have had a little bit of damage in transport, but nothing that I can't work with. So it looks like we have two sort of like gold tone colors, a white color, and then a pink color. So it looks like it's like a blush slash highlighter. Let's see. Okay, interesting. It says it can be applied alone or wet. I've never tried putting on my highlighter wet. That would be very interesting. The little mirror in here. It says, no amount of darkness can hide a spark of light. Well, that's cute. Let's see. I guess I'll go ahead and swatch these. I don't really feel like I need a new highlighter, but I'll go ahead and give them a try. They are a little bit chalky, I'm not going to lie. There they are on my finger, so they're pretty pigmented. I didn't think this out. So there they are on my arm. They're very, very sparkly. I don't know. They're just highlighters, but they are a little dusty, some of them, but they are very, very pigmented, so I'm not mad about that. Even the pink one looks okay. Normally I'm not into pink highlighters, so even that looks okay. So yeah, overall, I really just don't care for this box in general. Like, I'm glad they're taking a hiatus. This is really the only thing I like a lot, where I'm like, I'll probably get a lot of use out of this. And it's something I can get for like $5 at Walgreens or Target or whatever, you know? So I just don't ever really think the value is here in the box when you get Ipsy for $10 and it's worth $60, and this is, oh, I don't know. This box is just not my favorite. I'm not sad it's going away. Like I said earlier, I am looking for recommendations for other boxes that you want me to try out. They don't even have to be beauty boxes. If there's just something you're interested in, let me know down below so I can look into it. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.